And I'm back. Right. Mail time and a big package. And you all know I like a big package of comics. Will you stop with your filthy minds? And I know what these are. Straight away. Or I know what they should be. That's the extra one. Because it was from the same people. Justice League Dark. Lenticular. So that's the last one of those. But this is the main one. Atom #1. All New Atom #2. All New Atom #3. And 4. And 5. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So first 20 by Gail Simone and the last 5 by Rick Remender. So yeah, that's the entire run of the All New Atom. Not bad. Definitely something to read now, eh? Well, was anyway. But it's just easier than getting it like this than it is getting it on the trade paperback form. Plus, I've got all these lovely covers. So, yeah. So there you go. The All New Atom. Plus I've got that Brave New World, which is the debut of Choi. So, plus the last lenticular in Future's End, Justice League Dark. I don't know what this one is. Like my luck, it'll be issue 3, volume 3 or 4. no, Testament Volume 2. So I still need thingamajig. I still need issue volumes 3 and 4. I think they're coming together. So what's this? Just 2 more needed now. Swamp Thing 37. So I just need Swamp Thing 38 and 39. So yeah, that's not bad. That goes over there because that's where Swamp Things are. And this can go in front room. And I can do a You Complete Me later for these Futures Ends. So that's good. And I'll put that Brave New Day with that. And we'll do a Brave New World, sorry. We'll do a You Complete Me version of that as well. So that's 2 more videos I've got out of this. So that's good. Right. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I've had some ideas about more rewards for subscribers. May go over that later. We shall see. Frequencies off.